Good morning. So again, this is Donna, and you're probably wondering why my face looks like this. Today we're gonna test out my oil-based cleanser, and the one that I'm using right now is from Banila Co. It's called Plain It Zero. It's quite popular, guys. Alright, so I have a bunch of makeup on my face. I'm wearing a waterproof eyeliner and a lot of foundation. So I just wanna show you how good this product is. So when you open it, it has this compartment where you can actually put the little spatula that you can use to scoop the product. So we're just gonna do that. You don't actually have to wash your face first or things like that. You just get a small amount of product, put it on your hand, and it's gonna melt on your hand actually. It's oil-based, but it's not the kind of oil that is very sticky. It's quite smooth. Okay, I just want to show you how effective this is. Guys, first application, it's already melting the tints. Okay, and then I'll do this one. It's almost gone. Okay, let's do my lips. Oh my gosh, I look like a monster. I don't want to use my hands on my eyes because I'm wearing contacts right now. So let me just wash my face. Wash my hands. Wash my hands. Let me just wash my hands. Okay, I wash my hands because what I want to do is I want to get another scoop of my Banila Co Clean It Zero for my eyes. Yeah, just a small amount. Yeah, it's just that I have a lot of lipsticks on it. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, guys, but it's melting everything. So I have to get back to you, and then I will show you the finished product if it cleaned everything on my face. All right, hold on for a while. I'm back. So as you can see, most of the makeup are gone, and well, it's not totally gone because of this one. It's very stubborn. And I think it's this lip tint too. I still recommend it though, guys, because with that small amount of product that I used, it's still okay. I mean, I have a lot of lipsticks on me, and I just want to let you know I put on a lot of foundation, waterproof eyeliner, so with that small amount of product, clean my face. It's also advisable, this is the reason why it's also advisable to do double cleansing. And for double cleansing, I actually use this. This is the Neogen cleansing stick. This one is very good too. This is very moisturizing. Well, not really moisturizing, but it doesn't leave your skin dry when you use this one. So just give it a go, try it out. Those products that I just showed you, the Neogen and the Clean It Zero Banila Co, it's a Korean product, but you can actually buy it in Watson's Philippines. I saw it there, and you can also buy it online. So I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like, and until next time, bye!